Hello everyone, my name is Brian Alderman and welcome to my course Implementing Mobile Device Management for Microsoft 365. I'm a Microsoft MVP. I'm an MCT for 22 consecutive years, so I've got lots of training under my belt. I'm an author of 4 published books. I speak at several SharePoint and Microsoft 365 conferences around the world, and I'm also a trainer and consultant at my own company called MicroTechPoint. Microsoft 365 includes EMS, Enterprise Mobility Plus Security, which is used to manage mobile devices that will be accessing your corporate resources. It's imperative to control and configure these devices that are used to communicate with Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 includes Microsoft Intune to help manage these devices. Microsoft Intune includes Mobile Device Management, MDM, as well as Mobile Application Management, MAM, which are 2 applications that you can use to manage both corporate devices and personal devices that are accessing your company resources. In this course, we are going to introduce, discuss, and explore how to plan for the use of MDM, the configuration of MDM integration with Azure AD, setting up an MDM authority, and configuring enrollment limits for devices. By the end of the course, you'll know what needs to be carefully considered to successfully plan for, implement, and configure mobile device management related services in Microsoft 365. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with your organization's planning policies and have a general understanding of Microsoft 365, as well as what type of devices will be used to access your company resources. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about how to manage mobile devices with my Implementing Mobile Device Management for Microsoft 365 course, available here at Pluralsight.